Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. Today we'll be unboxing this. It's the Renault 4CV by Hella in 1/24th scale. Now what you might first notice is that this is not the original box art. This kit was given to me by my brother James and he decided it would be funny to do this alternative box art because he would like me to build this as a rusty car. So we'll have a look at the outside anyway. There might be a picture of the real box art. So you can see here 1/24th, 86 pieces, 151 by 60 millimeters. On the side, information in different countries, languages. On this side, another picture. There's another picture. And another rusty picture that he seems to have found on this side. On the back of the box, this is the genuine photo art though. And you can also see here some information about the car and the fairly minimal decal sheet that comes with this kit. Yeah, the Renault 4CV was presented in the first post-war Paris Motor Show in October 1946. Evolved during the bombings and completed while France was still under rations, this little car for everyone, created by the engineer Ferdinand Picard, would be the vehicle of the newly found freedom and a better life. For both families and city use, robust, economical and cheap, the 4CV would be the first French car to produce more than 1 million of its make. 1,105,547 in a 14-year career. So let's open it up. So we've got the instructions there. So we'll look at the instructions first as usual. This is 80762. If this is different to the information in the outside. Okay, so if we continue. So here it's got some of the colours required, and these are in the Hella but also Humbrol codes. So this car has a full engine. Suggestions here about how you can wire it. I don't think it comes with wires though. Yeah, look there, it wants string. And the door cards are interesting, and you can see that it wants the windows to go into those. And this just tells you where some of the decals need to go, except there aren't many decals. And there's a different colour variety. So this is the 4CV Sport from 1955. So we've got this white sprue here. You can see they've got these funny kind of door card things. Got sections of the engine. No flash that I can see on this, so that's good. And there's some more engine parts on this side as well, including the fan. It's a rear engine car. That looks pretty good to start with. Not many sprues. So then we've got this sprue. Quite a bit of flash here, but so long as it's not on the parts, that's not so bad. Yeah, so this is the way up. So there's the floor of the car. See, that's the underside. There's the dashboard. That's a dial with the ears, as they call it. I think that's the exhaust there. Lots of other small parts. I think that's to do with the turning mechanism. There's shock absorbers. More parts of the suspension. This comes with a spare wheel. There's that one, as well as the 4 regular wheels. No pattern on the seats, but they are slightly textured, I suppose. Right, then we've just got one more white sprue, and this is the bonnet and the engine cover. Now, I haven't actually seen a hinge, so I don't know whether these are supposed to be hinged or whether they just kind of sit in place. It'd be interesting to see if I could make a hinge. Anyway, they're okay. Then we've got the rubber sprue. I've just got these sort of narrow tyres, as you'd expect from that era. Quite nice. Chrome sprue here. As you can see, well, that's the back side and that's the front. So it's got 4 hubcaps, front and rear bumper. It's got wing mirrors. I think that's the handbrake. It's also got the light housings. That's the rear badge, I think, which actually was also the fuel cap. Windscreen wipers, and yeah, not bad. It's far less shiny on this side. Then we've got the clear sprue. Right, so yeah, they look quite nice and clear. The edges are raised quite nicely, so that should be pretty easy to get some chrome on that. It's got rear lights there and the headlights there. Maybe a couple of little scratches. I'll be able to clean them up maybe. Then we've got the extensive decal sheet, which doesn't even come with a badge for the front. Great. I might see if I can print one off. It's interesting. These plates come with a piece on one of the sprues. I looked this up. They're supposed to go on this one here, which is the rear number plate, whereas the black one here, I think, goes onto one of the bumpers. That's that. And then finally we have the body. This is quite nicely detailed. It's nicely got that detail on the inside. It also has some details which I think might be a little difficult to pick up. This had suicide doors. As you can see there, the hinge was in the middle. Fuel cap goes there. There's some mould lines along here, and yeah, and along here. So I think those are supposed to be here. There's a little bit of extra sprue on the end. Yeah, not bad. Right, so that's the Renault 4CV. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.